Get this your talk, God forbid, bet Naija no be my portion, bros. If no be madness for this kind reception, human be carry 100 naira, won't go win million. G-boys no lazy, very hard working. They know they sleep every second, steady button. Bet Naija money no they last for long. They know they brag on top am like a bad product. G-masu, every time they are topping the money. Cool business, they use money to chase their money. Kill Miller for shopping, Yahoo boys with the money. I'd rather be a presser than to hope for betting money. Shut up your mouth, now.
For this game, share game to the top. See, ma tell you something. I did been in the flock. I for flock race come off your head today for this game.
Okay, you want flock race?
No, I
see who go
since to share game now you dey do hand like say the hand they paying you. Share better to
the verse.
I beg gather the game, go complete and later.
How na dey now?
Wow, they fine.
Okay. Have you eaten?
Papa, you don't chop. You don't chop.
Thank you for that question.
I will never chop now this morning.
Me, I'm suspecting you. You see, I'm suspecting you. Hey, look at your stomach now. It's like you're eating.
Papa, why be like saying na me they suspect every time? We need to suspect this guy. See on. Auntie don't see him.
See now.
Auntie don't see him.
I'm suspecting both of you now. Look at your stomach. Look at his stomach.
Papa, nothing like that too.
This guy has
me, that is your father. Look at my stomach. Is there any resemblance?
Papa, lift up. Never chop.
I don't even know how manage I get both of you as my children.
Now God give us to you.
Anyways, I'm leaving now. I'm leaving now. People should take this money, use it and prepare food.
Papa.
So that when I come back, I can be able to eat.
But this one no go reach.
No go reach.
What are you talking? Are you cooking for the community?
No, now, but you no go
Eh?
reach. You no go reach now. You no go chop.
You know I don't have enough money. Add it.
We'll manage it, Papa.
What
do you want us to prepare for you? Your delicious, your favorite.
Yes.
What is your best meal? So
Yes.
We prepare a very delicious meal for you.
Favorite.
What is my best meal?
Yeah.
Now I know that you people love me so much.
Yes, now.
You are my...
Don't worry, Papa.
Okay, just cook anything, eh?
Anything.
Just cook anything.
I will
No,
cook
I
your
like-
best
Anything,
meal.
eh?
Yes, now.
As you can see, I'm leaving now.
Okay.
No worry, Papa.
Make sure you take care of this house.
Okay.
I don't want to come back here and hear pepe.
Papa, no
If
worry.
I hear
Papa,
pain,
nothing they happen.
Don't worry.
Just
Enjoy
go come.
yourself.
you see this thing? I will flog both of you. I'll flog both of you. Make sure I flog both of you to cry out blood.
Papa, we don't pass children whether they flog or.
Shut up!
Flog us.
Shut up there! What do you know? Eh? Do you know when my father stopped flogging me? You need to get to a certain height before I will stop flogging you. As for both of you, I will continue flogging both of you till you get to that height. Till you reach that height. Nonsense! Arrant nonsense! What are you telling me? Let me keep this kid here. When I come back and see this house upside down, and make sure you cook anything.
Papa, don't
Cook
worry.
anything.
Don't worry. Go, Papa. I will cook. Papa, bye-bye.
Did you eat in this man?
This man, I beg, more play our game. This man.
Certain height. Height.
I beg, more play our game.
We don't turn queen, Madam, bring the pepper soup now. One plate.
Don't they wait till.
Check out. Take your money.
Home say put feces for us.
With the biggie God, oh, SmallDaddy with the swag. Anywhere that he goes, all the ladies they cologne. With the ginger, with the flow, SmallDaddy with the swag.
Hi, 1 game not cost my 1 million.
Oga, see, Yahoo get level, forget this your talk. God forbid, bet Naija no be my portion, bros. If no be madness for this kind reception, human be carry 100 naira, won't go win million. G-boys no lazy, very hard working. They know they sleep every second, steady button. Bet Naija money no they last for long. They know they brag on top am like a bad product. G-masu, every time they are topping the money. Cool business, they use money to chase their money. Kill Miller for shopping, Yahoo boys with the money. I'd rather be a presser than to hope for betting money.
Shut up your mouth, now Yahoo money con dey last. Lavish money for club, they know they help us in life. But bet Naija, we win money with the share for guys. How many Yahoo boys they give cash for hand? Now today, I know say you know to get much sense. Bet Naija dey leg and now you empower empowerment. Which place for Naija, they don't get Yahoo shop. But with Naija full everywhere, be like sin at church. EFCC now, they monitor account. If big money enter, you must to prove and guide. 100 naira bros, go fit just do wonders. Niggas na Yahoo money on the last. Lavish money for club, they know they help us in life. But with Naija, we win money with the share for guys. How many Yahoo boys they give cash for hand? Now today, I know so you know to get much sense. Bet Naija they leg and youth empowerment. Which place for Naija, they don't get Yahoo shop. But with Naija full everywhere, be like sin at church. EFCC now, they monitor account. If big money enter, you must to prove and guide. 100 naira bros, go fit just do wonders. Make a go book one game.
What is going on here? What?
Papa, welcome.
Welcome, Missy. Welcome to both of you, dear. What is welcome? Eh? So both of you have started taking alcohol in my house.
Papa, we will not be small picking again. Oh.
Alcohol is good for the body. Also good for the head.
You see?
Alcohol is good for the head.
Yes, you see.
It's only this your coconut head the alcohol is good for. This your coconut head. Alcohol is only good for this your coconut. It's your Can you imagine? I do not blame both of you. I blame your late mother for training both of you this way. She should have been alive to finish what she started.
Papa, leave that woman alone. Leave that woman alone. Allow that woman to rest. If you want to drink pepper soup, you join us. No.
Hey!
Continue.
Hey, what?
You take it easy.
In my house. These foolish boys. Two of you. I know what to do.
Papa.
I will sell both of you to slave traders.
Papa, not
I'm telling you, I know what to do. Bunch of idiots.
Come and drink pepper soup.
You are drinking alcohol in my house. Let me go and come back.
Come and drink so that your temperature will cool. Very nice.
Eh? Where is the food? Where is the food I told both of you to prepare for me? Geduni sunu siena. Where is the food?
Papa, see
I
food
gave both
here
of you money to cook food for me. Where is the food? The pot is empty.
Papa, look at food here now.
Which
Come and enjoy with us.
Eh?
Soup. Yes, now.
So you went and used my money and buy pepper soup.
Papa, drink pepper soup.
I should
You
drink
said
pepper
we
soup.
should enjoy ourselves.
now.
Anything we should
I
buy.
should drink pepper soup.
So she prepare anything.
You said we should prepare anything now.
Don't forget, you dey owe us.
Papa, all the money where they don't get dash us, where you dey?
Now.
Just they collect everything.
Oh, Bobo.
See, ma, I tell you, better they keep your money well for this house.
Is that how you want to do it?
Yes,
If
because
not,
any money you
money
carry,
you see,
na enjoyment.
Hey! William, it's not enjoy what? It's not.
Come on. You don't get up.
It's not.
SmallDaddy, what is why? SmallDaddy.